On the 17th of April, 2025, at a Kohl's store in Florida, police received an emergency call from internal security regarding a theft. Initial reports indicated that an 18-year-old female employee had repeatedly taken merchandise without paying. CCTV footage showed this behavior not just once, but frequently, almost daily during recent shifts. This was no longer a minor offense, but a systematic act. Under the law, repeated fraudulent acts with the intent to steal property can be prosecuted as a felony, with penalties including imprisonment, fines, and long-term convictions. Immediately after receiving the call, police quickly arrived at the scene to verify and clarify the entire situation.
No, I don't. Huh? I don't know where the office is. Thanks.
One inside.
Oh, no problem.
How you doing, champ? Funny we see you again. This time we need you. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go to the management office over there. That's where we have her.
Okay. So, what do we have so far?
So I'm gonna just take a picture for my record keeping, and then I will give it to you. Her name is Samantha Spear. She's 18 years old. She works for Sephora. She's with us 33 days. We, through a tip and observation, were able to catch her stealing multiple items. And in the interview process, while they were interviewing her, she confessed to, stealing almost every day the last couple of weeks.
Okay.
She knows we work hard. Say again?
She knows we work hard.
She knows
We work hard.
Oh, well, no. Ricky told me to go into this.
Okay.
Off quick math that we were doing in our head, she stole a couple $1,000s worth of merchandise.
And you
So
guys
we told
have...
her to be concise because it'll help in, evaluating her future with us. And she asked, am I going to be fired for this? I need the job. And he was like, well, based off your honesty, and the more honest you are with us, we take that into consideration.
That's
So,
a crazy question.
yeah, right?
Yeah,
Veracity, right? Let's get you stealing from me. So can I keep working here?
You guys have video and receipts for all these?
Yeah, we'll be able to provide that for you. Yeah, and from what she told us, she's been doing all the stealing for her family, for her sisters, her father, her mother. Good for her. So like Rick said, he goes, it looks like your parents, your family put you in a predicament.
Most people start with petty stuff,
Well, that's what she said. She said she started a couple weeks ago, small stuff, and then she felt comfortable with it, and then it became every day that she was working.
Sounds a lot more like the crime.
According to the manager, the incident was not initially discovered randomly, but stemmed from the suspicion of another employee. Based on this information, the security department extracted CCTV footage and quickly realized that the thefts had been occurring continuously for about 2 weeks. Initially, it was just small, easily concealed items. But when undetected, the girl gradually became more confident and moved on to stealing higher value items. During questioning by the manager, she admitted to the thefts and offered several reasons, including taking items for her family. However, a noteworthy detail suggests her possible lack of legal knowledge when she anxiously asked, "Will I be fired? I need this job." Perhaps she hadn't yet realized that what she faced was far more serious than she imagined.
She's going to text you.
I just saw you walking in the store. I was going to say maybe just hang out for a little bit. What's that?
You guys already got all the information you needed from her?
Yes. I just haven't turned her yet. Did you? He kind of gave you a heads up. Just been with us for a month. Over 1,000.
I made a copy of the receipt. I gave it to you.
That she was just 18 years old. Ever had you guys want to do it?
He's going to ask her enough. Are you guys going to prosecute her?
Yeah.
You guys going to trespass her?
Trespass we don't typically do for associates unless she gets stupid, stands up and starts mother effing everybody, but I don't think she's going to. She's an absolute mess.
Is she?
Oh,
All right, Samantha.
So a couple things. All right. Certainly anytime an associate causes a loss to us, right, there's some ramifications. So the team from Boynton Beach is here to talk to you. All right. So there's a couple things. All right. because of this, we are going to prosecute you. You understand that, right? Okay. But we still need our stuff back. Okay? Alright. One last thing, alright? This is a promissory note telling us that you're going to make it right with Coles. Alright? You still have your pen? Alright. Your principal amount owed is what you put on this statement. Okay? Alright, so you're going to write that there. You're okay, calm down. You're going to print your name and put the date. Can you get that water for you? So Samantha, I do have to make sure you just are aware whether or not you sign or not. It's okay, alright? You are being released from employment, okay?
Yes, sir.
You can't come back to Coles to work anymore.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Alright.
Shortly afterward, the manager officially announced the termination of her employment contract and confirmed that the case would be referred to the authorities for legal action. At that moment, it was as if everything was collapsing before her eyes. Not only the loss of her job, but also the severe legal consequences awaiting her. Immediately afterward, the police proceeded to read Miranda's testimony. This marked the point where the matter was no longer confined to internal matters, but had officially entered the criminal proceedings phase.
Alright.
Sorry, I did the mistake, man.
You're fine. Do you have anything in your locker that we should get for you while these gentlemen are covering a couple things for you?
It's just my bag.
Is it locked?
No, sir.
Okay. What's your locker number?
It's not the right one. It's the one at the very bottom.
What's the very bottom? I don't
think
think
it's
it's a
like
big
the-
locker room.
Is it in this, what locker number is your locker assigned to?
I was originally assigned to like 75, but
It's a
I
And that same row
don't
at the bottom?
I don't know
It's a white
if
bag.
no, it's it's a white bag.
Samantha, this is what I would say. Is this gentleman's going to ask you some questions. You be as honest and cooperative with them as you are with me. You understand? All right.
It's like when you enter in the door, it's like
Oh yeah.
He's gonna
this one, the very bottom.
All right, Samantha. So I have to read you something before I talk to you, okay?
My Miranda rights.
Yes. Okay. So I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any questioning. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statement can be and will be used against you in the court of law. Are you willing to talk to me without the presence of an attorney? Okay, so can you tell me what happened?
Oh god.
How about we do this? Let's give her a little breather. Alright, so she can regain her composure, and then we'll continue the interview afterwards.
Okay.
Sounds good, man?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Listen, Samantha. Everyone's going to treat you with respect. No one's going to yell at you. No one thinks anything. Okay? This was a mistake. But you need to stay calm for us, okay? Can we do that? Can we calm down for a little bit?
You want water?
Get the, go with the customer.
At this point, the police officers had the right to further clarify the testimony and gather evidence to complete the file, thereby making a decision on arrest or prosecution according to the law.
So I'm gonna get a sworn statement from you because you should just interview here. So I'm gonna have you raise your right hand.
What's the law of your right?
Yes, we interviewed this associate that works for us. She works in the Enfor department. We were actually doing an investigation on her today. Her name is Samantha Spear. Samantha's been with us since March the 14th of 2025. Through her employment with us, Samantha was found to be walking out of the store with merchandise that's not been paid for. Certainly was all found through video review, just following up on daily habits with our associates in our departments. What we found is more than 4 occasions so far. Came in to interview. Certainly she admitted to many more events, all happening at the end of her shift, walking out of the store without paid merchandise, never making a purchase. So she admitted to $1,000 worth of products.
Call at King Theodore. Is he advising that the friend is 97 and present?
And 1,000, is that the correct amount, or is that just what she admitted?
That's what she admitted to. She's going to bring back all the rest of the product. Could be a difference. It could be a little bit more, but we won't know until it's fully back in.
I'm not sure we can help him.
Alright. Alright, so that's it for you. I'm gonna get
The friend is a lesbian rehab.
Well,
You're 10.
pretty much the same statement as him, or should I get one from you
Before we
too?
go out there. Can't
Yeah,
they
you
can
can,
trade without permission.
Alright, I'll just get one from you. So you could raise your right hand.
Okay, so basically Ricky and I were reviewing some audio, video, going over some testing exams that I'm preparing for. And an email came through, and during that email it read that there was possible dishonest association, dishonest associate activity with a particular individual. Upon review, Ricky and I had found on multiple occasions, on different days, her taking merchandise, concealing it either in her Sephora bag or her purse, and exiting the store.
Okay. And you guys wish to prosecute it.
Are you in?
We wish to prosecute it. It's part of court policy.
Forgot to ask that too. So do you guys have like a list of the time she stole,
Yes, and that's going to be put into
including evidence.com?
detail
Okay, cool.
once he gets the information over for you.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll drop a receipt in there for it.
Okay.
It's got the total of what we know until we can get back the rest.
Okay.
Like I said, based off, like I told you when we were walking back here, based off quick math that we did, it's $1,000. So in his interviewing her, he said the more honest you are with us, the better it makes for you
Yes.
during the whole process of it. So basically that was to jog her memory, to make it think harder, like, let me just put everything that I took, 'cause you know what you took.
Yes.
For your mother, you took for your sisters, you took for your father, you took for yourself.
Okay.
And that'll give us an idea.
Put it out at home.
I need this one with 10 notes. And put me out with the other call that's in my zone by 975Y. So that's the black note.
Hey, Barn, 321J10. Yeah, 32348.
Sorry.
But so far, you're able to provide for us today the details on
I haven't reviewed video yet. So. Yeah, guys, you have video ready?
Yeah,
to look at?
yeah, we have video.
So I could just check it out.
They need to establish whether we have scheme to defraud yet or not.
Okay.
So they've got 4 dates right now. Several $100s worth of stuff. 4 dates. They haven't gotten through all of the video yet. She's admitted to doing this for several more days.
1853.
For possibly 2 weeks. So, find out. Get his opinion. This is part of the stuff you're going to have to do when you're on your own.
Yeah.
If we have the video for the 4th, we can scheme to defraud. The thing is that anything afterwards, at this point, would either be in addition to or a separate thing.
Okay.
So what we need to find out is what we have here today, what we can charge her with. If you guys are good after that and you're just washing your hands clean from this because she's fired.
Will that be the report number?
Then
Yes.
that's a perfect. But we'll get what we can get today. Because that's
Yes.
probably the route that I would go. And then
Hang out, I'll get
probably
my
harm.
Okay. He's gonna bring his laptop because he's got everything in there.
All right.
We want to document it just on so we can articulate everything we see, and then you guys will submit the videos later. We'll send you a link. You explain this.
You did, yeah. He got the information.
So then we can figure that up when we're submitting the whole packet to the state.
Correct.
Okay.
It's hers?
Yeah.
Okay.
I bet you thought it was mine.
Do you have your ID there so I could? It's up front.
Yeah, I don't carry it. Alright, so here she is last night. Let me pause it. So last night she comes up to clock out. She's carrying the same bag she's currently got in the office. Here you'll see she fidgets around. She's going to grab something off of here and then she backs up.
And around what time is it?
9:04. She actually conceals the product at 9:06. So here she's looking at something. It's what she winds up taking, but she doesn't take it quite yet. Coach
So it was that speaker that we smelled.
Yeah. So she'll walk over here, walk back.
Now, is her putting items in there?
No, not yet. She's already got a Sephora bag in her purse that she had already taken from inside the shop. But this is one of the first things that we saw her do. She'll go back out there on the aisle and she'll conceal a speaker that's out there. All right, so here, I'll back up just a little bit so you can see what she does. So she grabs, there's a Sephora bag back here. So you'll see, she grabs that bag. So you'll see there's already, I don't know if you saw it, there's already a couple things in there. She comes over here. Store's closed, by the way. It's 9:13 at night. We close at 9.
Okay.
She grabs here and here.
You good?
Yeah, I just thought about it.
What?
Having a female to 37 reader on the back.
Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. Don't worry.
11, 10, 7.
Take 20.
I'll be right back, sir.
Anything else on?
Take 20.
Sorry. Transport it.
Just turn your wrist down.
Take 1. Can't forget.
Check on block. 2-4 Delta. Uniform Juliet. Papa. Uniform EJ. And William Point.
Take 100 North Federal. Outside 1.
Check some kind of outfit.
Come outside chasing.
Something.
Take 20.
Real quick.
Work has 2 shifts left. Can I make it out of work?
Just 2?
Yeah, we're Northeast 6th Avenue in Federal. Have a 640.
Everything became clear. For her systematic theft, Samantha finally left the store in handcuffs. Under Florida state law, she was charged with scheme to defraud, a felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a $5,000 fine. Not only did she lose her dream job, but this one, 8-year-old girl, now faces a bleak future with a criminal record that will haunt her for life. All defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty in court. This is a valuable real-life lesson. Never mistake systemic loopholes for opportunity, because when greed is repeated, the consequences far exceed imagination. What do you think of the excuse of stealing for family in this case? Can the pressure of circumstances justify systematic criminal behavior? Please leave your thoughts below.